Hi friends, now we are going to see profit and loss formula, how it has been derived. Now we are going to the basic equation of profit and loss. SP is equal to CP plus profit. Here SP denotes selling price and CP denotes cost price. So SP is equal to CP plus profit is the basic equation. We are bifurcating this equation into rupees and percentage. Here we are dividing this into two columns, namely rupees and percentage, and we are rewriting this SP is equal to CP plus profit again. So SP is equal to CP plus profit is written, and we are transferring the CP to the another side of equal to sign. Therefore SP minus CP is equal to profit is the derived equation for both in rupees and also in percentage. Now we are going to write all the equation in a vertical form, namely particulars in one column and rupees in another column and percentage in another column. So SP minus CP gives profit is one column under particulars, and we must write the selling price rupees and cost price rupees and also profit in rupees in another column, and in another column, namely percentage, we have to write SP percentage, selling price percentage, and cost price percentage always remains fixed at 100, and we can write the balance figure in the profit percentage column. So here we have derived the format for calculating profit and loss for maths, aptitude and for competitive exams. The formula is SP minus CP gives profit, and we have two columns, namely rupees and percentage. This is the format. We can solve any number of questions using the same format, filling all the given information and finding out the missing information. Now we are going to the actual scenario. Find the profit or loss. Here the sum given is cost price in rupees is 2400, selling price must be calculated, and profit in rupees is 400, loss is to be calculated. So what is the given information? Cost price in rupees is 2400, and we have to find out the selling price. We have to find the selling price, and also profit is 400. Profit is 400. So if profit arises, then loss is 0. Then we can write that SP is equal to CP plus profit. CP is 2400, profit is 400, therefore SP is 2800. In this way we can calculate the missing information. Now we are going to the another situation. Here cost price in rupees is 1900. We have to find out the selling price and profit, and loss given is 300. Here cost price in rupees is 1900, and they are given that loss is 300. Loss is equal to minus profit. Therefore loss of 300 means my profit of minus 300. We have already calculated SP is equal to CP plus profit. CP is 1900 and profit is minus 300. Therefore 1900 plus of minus 300 gives 1600. In this way we can calculate all the missing information. Thank you friends. We hope that we have explained to a great extent. If you like this video and feel that it is informational, then subscribe to our channel, and also like, comment and share with your friends. Thank you friends. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.